Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make amazing videos with invideo text to video. This tool is so easy and powerful, it's practically cheating. You just want to type in some text, choose a template, and boom, you have a stunning video ready to upload. But let's get started with this tutorial. Right, so what you want to do is head over to Google and just type in invideo text to video. And it'll just be this first one that comes up here, so you want to click on that. And then it'll take you to this web page here, Unleash AI to turn your text into riveting videos. This is what we want. Transform words into a cinematic masterpiece with InVideo's AI text to video converter. So you just want to click on turn text to video now, and it should take you to another page. Perfect. So on this page here, if you already have a script for your video, you can just copy and paste it in here. But if you don't, you can ask the InVideo AI to write your script, which we will be doing. So it asks us to describe the script you want to generate. So maybe I want to create a video about the best AI tools for free. So I'll just type in here, write me a script about the best 7 free AI tools, and then generate. And so it's given us quite a short script here. So if you want to do a longer video, I guess you can always head over to ChatGPT and really ask the same thing here. But so we're just going to type in write me a YouTube video script about the best 7 free AI tools to use. Make this script 10 minutes long, or however many minutes really. But I found if you put in 10 minutes, it creates quite a long script, which will be around 6 minutes. And now ChatGPT might put in these introduction parts or hosts. You can just copy and paste this really and put it in here. But just for the sake of this video, we'll use this short script here that InVideo has provided us with. So we've got our script now. We just want to press create scenes. But before you press create scenes, you want to make sure this box over here, auto suggest images and videos, is ticked and free. Or if you have the premium access to InVideo, you can tick iStock and premium, but we don't have that, so we're going to just press create scene. So it might come up here, hey, that's too much text for one scene, do you want us to rearrange it for you? Yes. And here it's rearranged the text for us, so you just want to press create scene again. And then now we just have to wait. So InVideo is perfect really. I use it all the time. Some other features that's included on InVideo. So here are the tools for InVideo. There's an online video editor, which is really easy to use. I suggest this for anyone really who hates editing. It's so simple and easy to use. There's an intro and an outro maker, or there's a specialized YouTube intro maker over here. Or even if you're creating videos for Instagram, there's an Instagram video editor here. But we just want to wait for our script to be generated. Oh, here we go now. It's generating the thumbnails, opening project. So when it comes up with this, it's more or less almost done. And here we go. So that was scene number 1. And it'll come up with all these different scenes here. So this is perfect for like short form content, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or Pinterest if you want to upload videos on there. So as you can see here, it's got different scenes for different sections of the video. So say if you don't want to make short form content and you want to make like a long YouTube video, you can always change the aspect ratio up here to just wide And yeah, it'll say open in a new tab. Here we go now. Perfect. So this would be very good for a longer YouTube video. Now it is quite plain and quite boring, so what I'd recommend to make these videos better, instead of just exporting what invideo has given you, you can head over to 11 Labs, or you can add some text to speech, and it already has music in it, as you can tell. But I'd say, yeah, to make these videos better, you just need to add some text to speech. You can see all the images, the B-roll, it's kind of added over here. So say if we wanted to create a better video, we can take our script from ChatGPT, and I'm just going to tell it to, could you remove the host and segments. So I'm just going to copy and paste that segment there, and segment. And hopefully ChatGPT will understand. There we go. Perfect. So really we can just copy and paste all of this text, not the tool bit. We just want the text really. So we'll just wait until ChatGPT finishes all of this, and we can just copy. So we'll go onto here and we'll just paste our text from ChatGPT into invideo. I'll just copy and paste this last part, and we'll just press create scenes again. And it's asked us again, hey, that's too much text for one scene. Do you want to rearrange it? Yes. Bang. Now it's rearranged our script perfectly, and then create scenes again. And it's around, I guess, a 2-minute wait, but this is really good. This saves loads of time editing. I guess the old school way was going on pixels and downloading stock images and videos. But I guess this saves all our time now, and it'll just do it automatically for us. So here we'll make this one short form content. We'll see what we've got here. So it's automatically added the music for us, which is amazing. We've got our second scene here. Now some of these AI images might not match the text, but it doesn't really matter. All that matters is we've got some sort of context in the background. Thanks for watching this video on why invideo text to video is practically cheating. Seriously, this tool is so easy and powerful. It's like having a magic wand for video creation. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one. Bye.